We get sap on the track.
Hi guys, so this is a quick video on one of my pre-workout meals I have. So I either normally have at the moment ground rice or rice protein porridge, rice flakes. So these are by Delicious Alchemy. So the advantage using rice flakes compared to normal oats is a lot easier in terms of sitting in your stomach. Sometimes I find having oats, they can sit quite heavy with me. So this is going to be my pre-workout meal. So it's 70 grams rice flakes, and I have 50 grams of whey protein, 10 grams coconut oil, and 80 grams berries. So I'm going to have a mix of blueberries and raspberries today. So now I'm simply going to add the rice flakes into a bowl, weigh it out on my scales, add boiling water on it, and then stick the rice flakes in the microwave for about a minute and a half. So when you add the water, you want to be generous, put plenty of water, because when you put this in the microwave, it will soak a lot up. And also, if it is a bit of water, when you add the whey protein in, it thickens up naturally then anyway. So now I've added the water to this, and we'll sit this in the microwave for a minute and a half, 2 minutes, see how it goes. The longer you leave it in, you can try and make it thicker and bulk it out more, but I don't want to be too bulky because I don't want to feel bloated on training. Okay, so that's now out of the microwave. It's been there about a minute and a half, it's thickened up nicely. So now I'm going to add 2.5 scoops of whey protein in there. So that's 50 grams of protein. Okay, so protein powder's added, mixed in. Now I'm going to add in coconut oil. That's the pure one. So 10 grams of this, adds a lovely flavour. It's good fats in terms of medium chain triglycerides. And also slow down the digestion of the carbohydrates. Because I'm very lean at the moment, my carbs are getting burnt very quickly, so this will slow the digestion and try and keep me going a little bit through the workout. So I'll add 10 grams of this and just stir it in. Okay, so that's coconut oil added in. Last but not least, I'm going to add berries. So I've got a mixture of raspberries, blueberries. I'm going to add 80 grams in. And that's it guys, job done. So that is my rice protein porridge with coconut oil and berries. So give it a try, tastes phenomenal. You can also add cinnamon on top if you want to. Really good pre-workout meal, good meal anyway. It's super easy to make, cheap. Give it a try. Let me know what you think of the video guys. Please comment below. Let me know what else you want to see.